Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to use coroutines. Essentially, a coroutine is a special function that allows itself to run in the background while our game continues. It helps us avoid having to pause the rest of our game while executing a set of code. Coroutines are very useful for things such as animations, delays, and much more. Alright, so in this video, I've set up an example. I have a car, a pedestrian, and a traffic light. So using coroutines, I'm going to try to make the car press the brakes, so just freeze, give the pedestrian some time to finish walking or whatever it is, and it's going to continue after a few seconds. So in this video, we're going to be using delay as one of our coroutines. Now, as I said, for this video, I want you guys to please focus on the coroutines only. This whole traffic light thing I've set up, this is just as an example on how I'm going to be using them. So you guys can follow along or not, up to you. Alright, so I'm going to begin with adding a script to the car. We're going to do add component, new script, and do wait. That's going to be the name. Alright, let's give the script a second. Where is it? Alright, wait. Open it up, and I'm going to open the script. Okay. Now, in order for us to use coroutines, we need to add a new namespace. This allows us to use the IE enumerator interface for our coroutine. So we're going to go up here. We're going to do using system.collections. Alright, now that's out of the way. I'm going to first make a reference to the rigid body so that we can freeze it as it pressing the brakes, like the car. Do public rigid body RB. Okay, now that we've got that out of the way, now it's time to create the coroutine. So we're going to skip these two functions, these two startup functions, go all the way here at the end, and we're going to begin with the interface, IE numerator tour, and the name of the coroutine will be wait. Make sure you capitalize the name of the function, by the way. And yep. Alright, so now that's out of the way, we need to think, what are we going to make our coroutine do? So in this case, it's going to be a delay. So the car is going to stop. Now, in order for us to delay, we're going to do yield return new. And we're going to do wait 4 seconds real time. And we'll do about 3 seconds. So what I've done here is I wrote yield, which technically means wait, and I've returned a value of 3 seconds real time. So it's going to wait 3 seconds. And then what I'm going to do on my part is pause the car. So just freeze the position constraint, which I'm going to do RB a dot. Oh no, we're going to do RB dot constraints equals rigid body rigid body constraints dot freeze position. Alright, and that's perfect. Now, once the car is holding the brakes, it's stopped, we're going to wait a few more seconds until it can continue driving. And in this case, we're going to do maybe 5 seconds. 5-second works. Yield, return new, and the return value for the wait we're going to add is going to be wait for seconds real time. And I'm going to do 5 seconds. Okay, that's perfect. Now, after the 5 seconds, it's going to continue driving. So we're going to do RB dot constraints equals rigid body constraints dot none. So this removes all the constraints. Okay, now that we've got the coroutine finished, it has a delay, which is 3 seconds, and then another 5 seconds. I'm going to make sure it's correct. So 3 seconds, freeze, and it's going to continue. Okay. Now we need to start the coroutine because we've made a reference to it. We've just declared what it's going to happen, what's the method, all of that. Now we need to actually begin the coroutine. So we're going to go up to the start function, and we're going to start with start coroutine, and then 2 brackets, and then we're going to name the we're going to add the coroutine name. So it's going to be wait, and another 2 brackets. Perfect. Semicolon to finish. Save the script and head straight back to Unity. A second. Alright, and then I need to add the rigid body into the inspector. So, right over here. Okay, perfect. Now all we need to do is test our game. So we're going to see, does this work? So the car is driving, and boop, it's frozen. Pedestrian's gone, and car continues. So overall, I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.